हेलो एवरीवन, माई सेल्फ राहुल सिंह। मैं आप सभी के लिए एक और अनदर टेस्ट सीरीज लेकर आया हूँ जो रिलेटेड है इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स एंड इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी लॉज। और ये मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट है फॉर द 30 मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस हैं ये जो है फॉर यूजीसी नेट जून 2020 के लिए। तो प्लीज़ आप ये वीडियो हमारे लास्ट तक देखिए इसको जो है, और आप अपने इसमें से आप 2 क्वेश्चन आपको डेफिनेटली आपको आपके एग्ज़ाम में मिलेंगे आपको। चलो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। और स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपको बता दूं, प्लीज़ मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करना एंड शेयर करना ना भूलिए प्लीज़। चलो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द टर्म WIPO stands for World Investment Policy Organization, World Intellectual Property Organization, Wildlife Investigation and Policy Organization, World Institute for Prevention of Organized Crime. Right answer is B, World Intellectual Property Organization. Question number 2, which of the following is an intellectual property as per IPR laws in India? Original literary work, industrial design of Maruti 800 car, trademark of Tata company, all of the above. These are the all of the above. Original literary work, industrial design, trademark of Tata company. Next question is company. A company wishes to ensure that no one else can use their logo, copyright, trademark, patent, industrial design. This is a trademark. Question number 4. A singer wishes to assign the rights to reproduce a video she has made of her concert. Copyright, trademark, patent. None of the above. Right answer is A. Copyright. Trademark defined in ZA, ZB, ZC, ZD. The trademark has been defined under the definition clause of ZB. Next question number 6. The composition of appellate body under this section of the Trademark Act 1999 has been defined 83, 84, 24, 74. Right answer is 84. Question number 7. Which of the following is not an intellectual property law? Copyright Act 1957, Trademark Act 1999, Patent Act 1970, Design Act 2000, Custom Act 1960. The right answer is Custom Act 1962. Next question is, copyright law applies to forms of expression contained in song lyrics and musical composition, sculptures and paintings, dramatic and literary works, all of the above. Right answer is all of the above. Under which section has been defined the meaning of sound recording? 2XX, 2O, 2XA, 2XXA. Right answer is 2XX. Next question is, which of the following statement is true? Trademark registration can be renewed for an unlimited number of 10 years period. Trademark law is intended to protect the owner's original work. To qualify for federal protection, a mark must be distinctive and have a secondary meaning. Surnames alone can be trademarked. Right answer is A. Trademark registration can be renewed for an unlimited number of 10-year periods. Which of the following sections of the Patent Act 1970 provides for the subject matter that are not invention under the Act? Section 3, 7, Section 10 and 11. Right answer is Section 3. Next question is, trademark law protects word, symbols or device that differentiate goods or services from one another. Only brand names, name of the specific people and places. Invention that features some sort of utility functions. Right answer is A. Word, symbol or devices that differentiate goods or services from one another. Question number 13. Which of the following principle is applicable to trademarks? A trademark should be distinctive. A trademark should be capable of distinguishing goods or services. A trademark should not cause confusion with the previous trademark. A trademark should not be deceptive. All of the above. Right answer is E. All of the above. Next question is, the term of copyright of an author lasts how long? The life of the author plus 60 years, 95 years, and 75 years. Right answer is B, life of the author and plus 60 years. The rights provides for copyrights are reproduction of the work in various forms, public performance and translate into other languages, broadcasting by radio or cable, all of the above. Why an invention should be patented? It gives protection to patentable invention. It gives legal recognition to the invention. It makes other aware of the fact as to whom does the invention belong. Patenting one's invention make useful data relating to the invention available to the other invention for further research and development. Out of the four regions given above, identify the correct answer is B. Right answer is B. Second, third, and fourth. Question number 17. When IT Act 2000 come into effect? 17th October 2000, 2000, 11th November 2000, and 17th October 2001, and 11th November 2001. Right answer is A. 17th October 2000. IT Act 2000 amendment various section of which of the following acts: IPC 1860, Reserve Bank of India Act 1934, Indian Evidence Act 1872, and all of the above. Right answer is D, all of the above. Next question is, which one of the following is outside the scope of IT Act 2000? Electronic gift, power of attorney with digital signature, and electronic messages. Electronic evidence, power of attorney with digital signature is the right answer of this question. Question number 20, which is outside the scope of IT Act? Will, negotiable instrument accept, check, power of attorney, all of the above. Right answer is all of the above. Hacking under the Information Technology Act 2000 means unauthorized access to another person's computer, deleting information stored in another person's computer system. Knowingly or intentionally deleting information stored in another person's computer system. Right on. Next, knowingly or intentionally deleting valuable information stored in another person's computer system. Right answer is C. Knowingly or intentionally deleting information stored in another person's computer system. Next question is 22. In which of the following judgment has the Supreme Court struck down Section 66A of the Information Technology Act 2000? Shreya Shingal vs. Union of India, and Salvi and others, State of Karnataka, PUCL vs. Union of India, Amar Singh vs. Union of India. So right answer is A. Shreya Shingal vs. Union of India. Question number 23. Digital signature authenticates the electronic record by use of symmetric crypto system, asymmetric crypto system, biometric information, and all of the above. All of these asymmetric crypto system. Next question is, which section of the Information Technology Act 2000 define the term electronic record? 2G, 2R, 2S, and 2T. The right answer is 2T. IT Amendment Act 2008 with Amendment IT Act 2000 becomes effective from 27th October 2009. Which act cast responsibility on body corporate to protect sensitive personal information and provides punishment for offenses by companies? IT Act 2000, IT Amendment Act 2008, Indian Penal Code, and none. IT Amendment Act 2008. The section deals with the legal recognition of electronic records. Section 6, Section 3, Section 4, Section 5, and right answer is Section 4. Which act in India focuses on data protection and data privacy? Banking Regulation Act 1949, IT Act 2000, Indian Penal Code, and IT Amendment Act 2008. IT Amendment Act 2008. Which section of IT Act deals with the child pornography and punishment provides by its for a first conviction? Section 27. A. Imprisonment up to 5 years plus fine up to 1 lakh. Section 67D. Imprisonment up to 3 years and plus fine up to 5 lakh. Section 67. Imprisonment up to 3 years plus fine up to 50 lakh. Sorry, 5 lakh. Section 67B. Imprisonment up to 5 years and plus fine up to 10 lakh. तो राइट आंसर इज सेक्शन 67B, imprisonment up to 5 year plus fine up to 10 lakh. Section 30, which section of IT Act deals with the publishing sexually explicit content in forms of punishment? Provides it so for the first time. Conviction is section 67A, imprisonment into 5 year and up to fine 10 lakh. Thank you so much friends. अगर आपको ये PDF चाहिए, if you want to this PDF, so please contact to me. I will provide you this PDF. Okay, thank you so much. Please like and share.